Try to understand a woman's physically weak, but oh no, yeah, it's all well fun. Yeah. So since it goes around, it must come around. Lift up your hand and see how it goes down. And not your pity. I'm calling you time. Say I got kick me like say I'm a daddy. I'm not a child. I'll never be your child. And not your pity. I'm calling you time. Say I got kick me like say I'm a daddy. Crazy when we do go over hard. So walk away, away, I say, I used to call you murder.
Don't go, eh? Ja, man, come on.
Now because you're big and strong, you won't control me as long as I got breath to breathe. Try to understand a woman's physical weak, but yeah, it's all fun. Yeah. So since it goes around, it must come around. Lift up your hand and see how it goes down. And that's your pity. I'm only gonna talk to you. I'm keeping like say I'm a daddy. I'm not a child. I'll never be your child. And that's your pity. I'm only gonna talk to you. I'm keeping like say I'm a daddy. I'm not a child. Could never be a child. Women do get crazy, and when we do, we'll overpower you. So walk away, away, I say. So cold in your mind, but not the one. Get on up and move along. Reconstructing your mind. Move along, move along, move along, move along, move along, move along. They got you thinking, I'm only here talking as a people. I say I'm behind you. I'm not a child. Could never be a child. They got you thinking, I'm only here talking as a people. I say I'm behind you. I'm not a child. Could never be a child. I'm not a child. I get it from you.
Kaya po dyan, camera. Tulik ka.
I'm breath and be. And try to understand almost physically weak by time out. Yeah, it's a weapon. Yeah. So since it goes around, it must come around. And lift up your hand to see how it goes down. You're not too picky. No formally good time. Say I'm like say I'm in I'm not too shy. Could never be your child. Me not too picky. No formally good time. Say I love people like say I'm in I'm not too shy. Could never be your child. Women do get crazy, and when we do overpower you. So walk away, away I say, to call you my man, but if I'm not the one, I'll get on up and move along, reconstructing your plan. Move along, move along, move along, move along, move along, move along. Maybe not too busy, no problem, even time say I got people, like say I'm in daddy. I'm not too shy, could never be shy. Maybe not too busy, no problem, time say I love, like say I'm a daddy. Say I'm not too shy, could never be shy. Gotta keep me. Now because you're big and strong, you won't control me as long as I got breath in me. Try to understand a woman's physically weak by all mouths, yeah. It's all well done. Yeah. So since it goes around, it must come around. Lift up your hand to see how it goes down. You're pretty, now come and leave me. I say I got people like say I'm a daddy. I'm not a child, could never be your child. You're pretty, now come and leave me. I say I got people like say I'm a daddy. I'm not a child, could never be your child.
Yeah, man, it's tough, man.
Graduate, man.
Sing easy.
Graduate, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man, sing easy, you know.
Yeah, man. Respect it, see. Alright.
Cousin, this is our next tour. Canada, man.
That's it. I hear that.
Yeah, 1-0.
Yeah. Hold on, let's see honest man, I'm pushing the rock now. Let's just slide back the rock and look at it.
How many children of I know that they know? Me not your victim, not one thing for me talk so young and quick, me like so young and heavy. I'm not your child, but never be your child. Once you can't get enough. How many children know that they know?
boss, you know. I'll be a blessing, man. I'm from this man. I'll be a blessing, man. Great.
That is nice, though. That is nice. Let's see if I breathe out.
Why you always see yourself the worst? I tell you yourself the worst. You class yourself the worst. I know that's not what Malcolm X to fight for. I know that's not what Martin Luther stand for. I know that's not what Marcus Garvey stand for. Don't stand, you don't stand. Like I see my mess up people, you understand. Don't call me, don't die. Like I see me easily take poison down. Don't start me just done. Like I see my little people, you understand. Don't cause me, you understand. Embrace your fears. Why it seems you've been trying, baby. You deserve the best through the years, baby. If you were mine, baby, I'll take the time each day. Thank you, God. I pray happiness has come my way. Hey, with you in my life, I got nothing to worry about. Just make it right. We gonna show them what true love is all about tonight. Try to see it, embrace your feelings. Why does it seem to be trying?
We are just. Come on then. We are just. I don't know. Roll it up.
One, two, one, two. What Italian massive?
Michael! Turn the bass on, turn the bass on.
Alright,
Back that slide off of my top. The light.
you wanna say a quick thing or two?
And the light, I move.
Alright, on the best 100 FM.
Pull it down,
On Best 100 FM, I'm your radio host. Name is The Essence. I work from 7 p.m. on Mondays to Tuesdays, 7 to 10 p.m. So I want y'all just to turn on your radios on that time, or just keep listening to Best 100 FM 100.1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 on your FM dial, or you can check me out on www.bestfm.com. Then you can see me in the studios working, and you can chat with me online. So make sure you www.bestfm.com.
See up on the computer, man. Yeah, man, you got that.
When we play our show and all this
You
stuff.
play it, you know, you're not a play.
No, me, I don't get no, me have to play it.
You're not a play.
For that, me like you want to SFM, I'm happy to tell about it.
Alright, sir.
Alright. So, I want y'all just to make sure you listen. I'll be giving shout outs to all the crew, all the people that participated. Sir Admiral, I know this song.
Of course, our foundation.
I know this song. I think I did a dub play for this song already. I'm not quite sure. I don't think so. Sir Admiral, I think.
Do our next one, because you remember.
Yeah, we do something more.
Give me a nice intro for the sound.
Something more. Please, I'm asking them. Just give me an intro, please. Please.
Sir Admiral, the people love ya. Said I wanna hear you. Sound of the music, sound boy. Play of the music, sound boy. We said we need ya. No, we wanna hear you. So give us some love, big one now. Give us some. Alright, so make sure you listen to this FM, alright? Mondays and Tuesdays, that's the sweetest Mondays and Tuesdays.
What time?
7 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Mondays, 7 to 9:30 on Tuesdays. Alright?
He's living like a king, even watching my big screen. I'm doing time. You must remember me that I'm only doing 5 days. Mostly lose your head to bring money in the grave. Drinking up in the car, I'm all in the fridge. First of all, you have been talking out to my kids. So when I come up with you know what time it is. Now you know myself up there, things me a mess. You can't go come and serve a piece of bread. And you have the money on the bed, you must be crazy.
From a girl come in my room, so be careful, girl, where you are from. Early morning and noon, girl, if you go meet them, you look here from a girl come in my room. You look here from a girl come in my room, so be careful, girl, where you are from. Early morning and noon, girl, if you go meet them, cause a long when we come from, girl, we no shot. How she can manage a phone, yeah, we she talk.
Admiral.
You don't hear from the girl come in my room, so be careful, girl, where you are from. Early morning and noon, girl, if you go meet them, girl, we no shot. How she can
So when they know they're coming,
girl.
hold it.
Not a rifle, no shotgun, no one.
Hey, step up, big up here. I like Jill. Big up. Yeah.
Not a rifle, no shotgun, no one top. Last time, a hold on one top. About one stop and try me, the one stop and them man say me up. Them say, them man them if you go say this and check. Them make your finger like a gun and bust a one shot. While you shot a wheel, this man drop. Them theories are bulletproof, them so this a
Now the second car, sometimes I just stop the room.
Sunday Agent Sasso. Keep the mix right there down by water lane. Hey! You're a 10. Sir Admiral. That's how you want. Bounce it. Bring it on.
Can't put a button. He even drop down in the tally by the bill. Oh, me say nothing. Can't do me nothing. We not be no longer.
Man, I step up.
That's how we do it right down here. Call it the party vibes, right? Anyway. Sunday up a bottle. Some people are going and never ask them about it. Watch this. Some people out there pepper walking up. Walk up on the one there.
Me at feeling. Me back feeling. I'm fine like in a feeling. Them chills up me don't want to feel them. Me look and can't see them. This whole world me and the back see them. Tell them pass me them. Tell them see them. So all them attack. Man I say pass me. Chuck them a play, man I pep on the star boy walk. Man I say pass me. Chuck them a play, man I pep on the lady a killer dog. Man I say pass me. Chuck them a play, man I pep on the baba you no chat. Me know better. Chuck them a play, man I pep on the say what's them. With me clothes and me picture. From your rich, some of them a ton switch. Them a helicopter, me a airplane shipper. Me break sick off and me smoke on a speaker. And me live in my house, me buy me furniture. Mansion in the sky, I check the temperature. See all dirty hearts, send them a hell quicker. Me love goes up to all me will wish. So all them a talk, man a step up. Chuck them a play, man a pep when the star boy walk. Man a step up.
By the way, the name is The Essence. My neighbor did introduce myself, and the lovely lady that just is singing and singing and singing and sounding so lovely. Her name is Lady Magano. Someone wants to get used to the name, get used to mine. It's The Essence. Alright, and the other girl, you see her dancing a black top and the G-skirt and a one like she Miss Thing. Her name is Diana, and our video personnel is called Sir Otan. Alright, just let you know a little thing or two, so you don't forget the name and stuff, right? And we are going to do another shot by the box. Someone's gonna roll out and go there and start to think them me not go there again the rest I don't right now me don't drink this, nobody can chat to me for rest I can't only tell about it. I'm drinking said I'm drinking beer without Red Bull, baby half full. Sir Admiral drinking rum and Red Bull and he made the sound up.
The jumping master. Jump again. Drinking. I'm drinking. I'm drinking. I'm drinking. I'm drinking rum and Red Bull, and it's sealing me heart full. Them wanna get awful like them on the dance I'll get crowd full. And I'm rum and Red Bull, and it's sealing me heart full. Them wanna get awful like them on the dance I'll get crowd full. I start the day with a flash cranberry with ice in a glass, and the light can't find me last. I me wanna liquor for me and me one pass. Drink me jump like me endorse. After the flash, then we move to the
So since it goes around, it must come around. Lift up your hand to see how it goes down, down. Me not your pity, now come and lick me tight. Say I got kick me like say I'm a daddy. I'm not a child, I'll never be your child. Me not your pity, now come and lick me tight. Say I got kick me like say I'm a daddy. I'm not a child, could never be a child. Woman do get crazy, and when we do, we'll overpower you. So walk away, walk away. Say I got kick me like say I'm a daddy. I'm not a child, could never be your child. Want to, can't get enough. How many children know I'm no daddy now? Now because you're big and strong, you won't control me as long as I got breath in me. Try to understand a woman's physically weak, but our mouths, yeah, it's our weapon. So since it goes around, it must come around. Lift up your hand to see how it goes down, down. Me not your pity, now come and lick me tight. Say I got kick me like say I'm a daddy. I'm not a child, could never be your child. Me not your pity, now come and lick me tight. Say I got kick me like say I'm a daddy. I'm not a child, could never be a child. Woman do get crazy, and when we do, we'll overpower you. So walk away, walk away, away, I say. I used to call you my man, but if I'm not the one, get on up and move along, reconstructing your life. Move along, move along, move along, move along, move along. Me not your pity, now come and lick me tight. Say I got kick me like say I'm a daddy. I'm not a child. Now because you're big and strong, you won't control me as long as I got breath in me. Try to understand a woman's physically weak, but our mouth,